Colin, we're here at Guhring today, more new products.
Yes, absolutely, Joe. Yeah, we're at the Technical Academy where we've now got the 222 parting off system, the latest addition to the grooving range, which we've had for a few years now.
Yeah, I guess it kind of makes sense, doesn't it? If you're grooving a part, quite often you're parting that part off.
Yes, it's been a bit of a gap, and I say, obviously, it's going to be developed. We're starting off with the 222, which is 22mm length of insert and 2 cutting edges. This will be obviously developed in months and years to come.
Yeah, tell us more about the range.
Well, the range, as I say, currently we're launching it very soon, in the next few weeks, into the UK. As I say, it's going to be in a 3mm parting off. So it's 22mm long, so it can actually part off to 21mm, which is typical of a lot of the sliding head machines, the Star and Citizens, which is a key target for the product.
Yeah, and you say it's being launched, but I know you've done a lot of benchmarking, so how have you found the product?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Before we put any product into the market here at Guhring, we do a lot of benchmarking, both in Germany and the UK. So we've put this product out in the marketplace, and it works very favourably against our competitors, yes.
So if we look at some of the products on the table, tell us more about some of these parts and the range as a whole.
Okay, so we're going to initially be launching the product with the square shank holder. So the tool holders come in square shank variety and the blades. So the square shank is nickel plated. It's got the coolant holes at the side and at the back, and also underneath there's a small hole there for direct coolant supply from the machine. The square shank tool holders, as you can see here, have got coolant coming out from the rake face and the clearance face underneath the insert. It's for maximum tool life and swarf clearance. This will also be available in the blades, both the 32 and the 26 as well. So you've got superb coolant supply straight to the cutting edge. These are clamped in place as opposed to the blade types. We've got the 32mm here and the 26. With the blades, they are actually pushed into place, but they can be removed and clamped using this key.
Yeah, and how about the inserts themselves? So have we got right and left hand and neutral, of course?
Yes, yeah, we're bringing it out, as I said, initially just in 3mm, but this is going to expand very quickly in neutral, as you rightly say, and right and left hand. Yeah, so that'll be the initial sort of products that we put in. But I think 2mm will be very shortly on the back of that, because a lot of the sliding head machines, the users like to use 2mm, or certainly don't want to use too much material up. So.
And today we've been machining EN 2040. How many grades have you got for all the other materials?
We're bringing it out initially with the fire-coated, well proven, tried and tested grade, and this will do all the steels, stainless steels, and again, I think in the next coming months there'll be other chip breakers and grades for aluminium and other materials. But currently it's going to be, we're really just targeting the steel market and the stainless steel market.
And for engineers wanting to learn more about your grooving and part off, or I guess any of your products, how do people buy it and how do people find out more?
Well, we've got a fantastic website now, so that's the first place. Just go on the website really, and a lot of these products are on there. And we're going to be also doing launching very shortly a promotion on this parting off system. So we'll be doing a blade or a tool holder with 5 inserts, because the actual inserts do come in boxes of 5. So we'll be doing you'll be seeing that in a lot of publications very shortly. Yeah.